Hey everyone! As you can see from the title, today you are going to learn how to modern calligraphy. I know some of you are already thinking, how can I learn calligraphy if I have such bad handwriting? I'm telling you, it's not a problem. Once you start getting the hang of it, it's gonna be really easy. And just a disclaimer, I am no professional. I'm super duper far from being a professional. And this is just a hobby of mine. It's not my career either, and I'm not planning on making this as my career. I just thought about making this tutorial for my friends who've been asking me how I do it and those who maybe want to start a new hobby. So let's get started! So first we're gonna need, of course, paper. For this tutorial, I decided to use some scratch papers, but feel free to use anything. You can also use a notebook so you can see your progress. And since we're learning just the basics, we're gonna need simple writing materials. So you can use a pencil. You can also use a marker. Or you can use a ball pen. Or you can use a sign pen, whichever one you want. Today I'm gonna be using my sharpie so you can see it better. So before we start, I want to do a refresher course. This is a kindergarten lesson actually, but we are gonna need this a lot in calligraphy. So as you already know, there's two lines, thick lines and thin lines. Next, we gotta learn some strokes. So you don't actually have to do this, but I just wanted to show you guys where to put the thick and thin lines. So as you can see in our zigzag, there are strokes that go down and some strokes go up. So now what we're gonna do is to make the down strokes thicker than the strokes that go up. So for the strokes that go up, just leave it, and then again make the down strokes thicker and just repeat. So this one you might want to do, especially when you're just starting to learn the basics. So what I'm doing is I'm just drawing swirly lines that go up first and now going down. So same thing with the zigzag, there's strokes that go up and some strokes go down. And the same thing with the zigzag, those strokes that go up we're gonna leave, and those strokes that go down we're gonna make it thicker. So try to stay close and then end the thick line just when you're about to go up again. And now we shade. So for this one, remember we're going down first and then up. So this is going to be slightly different because we are going to start the thick lines just when we're about to go down. And now we shade. And we are done with the basics. Alright, for the first step, we're going to write our word in cursive. And like the zigzag lines and the swirly lines, there are strokes that go down and some strokes that go up. So for step 2, what we're gonna do is for the lines that go down, we're going to make it thicker. And then for the strokes that go up, we are just going to leave them. And just when we're about to go down, we start to make that stroke thicker. Just to have more samples, I wanted to show you how I did it with my name. So this is not how I actually write my name in cursive, but I wanted to keep it simple so you can actually see where I put the thick and thin lines. And to show you that having a bad handwriting is not a problem, I also use my left hand to write my name. So there you go. Those are the basics of calligraphy. So after this, I'm gonna be uploading more videos wherein you're gonna learn how to do modern calligraphy with real calligraphy writing materials. But for now, I want you to practice those 2 basic steps. Remember, practice, practice, practice. Calligraphy is a skill, so it's not something that you learn overnight. But I swear to you, once you get the hang of it, you're gonna be great. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time.